In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo changes in Monday.com. Whether you've accidentally deleted a task or need to bring back some important information, this guide will show you how to effectively restore your work. So let's dive into the process and get started. To begin, you'll want to navigate to Monday.com and make sure you're on the home page. This is your central hub where you'll find everything you need for project management. Once you're signed in and looking at your home screen, you'll see a list of workspaces on the left-hand side. Go ahead and click on the workspace that contains the board or tasks you need to address. This will take you straight to the relevant area where the changes were made. Now, look for the board within that workspace which contains your tasks. Next to the board's name, you'll notice an icon with 3 small dots. This is the Options menu. Click on it to open a drop-down menu with various settings and actions you can take on the board. From this drop-down, you'll want to find the section labelled Settings. Clicking on this will further open up more options, one of which is Archived History. This is an essential feature for tracking your past actions and changes. Selecting Archived History will redirect you to a new page where you can review what has previously been archived or deleted. Now that you're on the Archived History page, it's time to focus on retrieving the item. You should see a Trash tab. Click on it to view a list of all items that have recently been deleted. This section acts like a recycle bin, holding your deleted items for a certain period before they are permanently erased. Within the Trash section, scroll through the list and locate the specific task or item that you wish to restore. Once you have identified it, you'll notice there's a small checkbox next to each task. Go ahead and tick the box of the task you're looking to recover. Finally, after selecting the item, you'll see an option to restore. By clicking the Restore button, the selected task will be immediately brought back to its original location in your workspace. This ensures that any important data or tasks you might have unintentionally deleted are returned to your board and are ready for continued use. And there you have it, a straightforward way to undo changes in Monday.com by restoring deleted tasks. It's always reassuring to know that your data is never truly lost and can be brought back with just a few simple clicks. I hope you found this guide helpful and you're now more confident in managing your projects with ease on Monday.com. Thank you for watching and happy project managing.